Good morning to all. My name is Shweta. I am studying in 8th class in JPHS Narakodu.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Kavyasri. I am studying 8th class in JPHS Narakodu.
Our project name is Door Security Alarm System using IR sensor.
Our project uses our home production and family safety system. Our project working tell the my friends say tell.
Yes, I can tell. One piece of the IR sensor attached on the door frame and the other itself. The two parts of circuited and closed circuited door window should has. When the door opens magnet and switch. When the circuited bricks central control panel.
Our project required components are IR sensor, connecting wires, and power battery and battery clip, buzzer and wires, connecting wires. Our how to use for components: IR sensor, object detector, buzzer, sound detector, batteries, power supply and battery clip also, jumper wires, connections to all things. Our project output are connect the battery clip to power supply. So IR sensor will be on and buzzer will be on. Anybody touch the door, alarm is on, come to sound. So this is used for some places like hospitals, factories, that's also. This is my project. Thank you to all.